Hey, this is Conrad, Senior Mechanical Engineer with Root3 Labs, and today I'm going to kind of show everybody how it is that we use a laser cutter in our lab for a lot of our prototyping and sort of quick turn fabrication. The laser that we have is made by a company called Universal. This model is the VLS 3.5. And we can do two things with it for the most part. We can do vector cutting, which basically means through cutting of various geometries, or we can do raster etching, which is sort of passing over a whole region and basically engraving. Some things about the laser. So there are a few different components. We've got the main laser, the tube is in the back. We've got the bed here. The laser is a powerful enough laser that the beam itself would damage your eyes, either through an acute sort of injury or over prolonged exposure, even just to scattered light. So the laser comes with this window. This allows you to see your workpiece, but the glass here is actually a filtering material so that you do not get the harmful components of the laser itself scattering and actually hitting your eye. Now, if you were to open this and the laser were still running, now you have a problem. And so you never want to override any sort of safety defaults or anything on the laser itself. It's always important to make sure that you're using it as safely as possible. Any of the exhaust fumes that come off the laser bed go through this HEPA filter and get filtered out and make the space in our shop safe to continue to work and breathe. The vacuum pump we have is hooked up to a filtration and a treatment sort of combination, a de-oiler and things like that, a dehumidifier. Running it with a vacuum pump is very helpful for a clean cut, the quality of the part, as well as the safety of the whole experience, the user and the system. So I'm going to show everybody how we can do this with a couple of different materials. So we're going to use some acrylic or PMMA, and we'll do a combination of vector cutting, so we'll through cut, as well as raster etching, and then we'll also sort of etch into a piece of wood, and then lastly we will laser cut through some layers of a ripstop nylon, so we can even use like a polymer based fabric essentially.